That's why we have that hurricane special airing on June 4th, and that will be a great tool to watch as you prepare for hurricane season. But we also go into, things to look for as someone living in the coastal bend. What would be the path that the hurricanes would take to give us that worst case scenario and so forth. So it's only day 2 and we already have Tropical Depression 2 in the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see that here pretty nicely. It is moving south now at 5 miles per hour, and that's going to take it more toward Cuba than Miami, which was kind of some of the earlier forecast trends. But you can still see, because of the mid-level flow in the atmosphere and so forth, we still will get a little bit of rain, or a decent amount of rain for South Florida. It may not be directly associated with that tropical depression, but there's the path it is expected to take. Not expected to strengthen to a tropical storm or a hurricane, but nonetheless, we do have Tropical Depression 2, which is number 2 because there actually was a post-tropical storm back in January that the National Hurricane Center did designate as Tropical Depression 1 for the season, or for 2023 nonetheless. Right now, this is our wave forecast. I just want to kind of show you how the waves are going to react to this tropical system. We're going to get some 8 to 12 foot waves out in the Gulf of Mexico, but closer to home across our area beaches, we're looking at more so probably 2 to 3 foot waves there on Saturday, and then Sunday closer to 1 to 2 foot waves as that system continues to move further south. But our periods, they may clean up just a bit, and that would make for some fun surfing out there at the beaches later on this weekend. However, waves are looking to go back toward the flat level as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So 88 degrees at the beach tomorrow, 86 on Sunday. We are going to have a very high UV index, so make sure you are reapplying that sunscreen, because when you get in the water, it just rinses right off. So come back in every 30 minutes or to an hour or so to make sure you are staying well protected. High tide is 5:36 a.m. on Saturday. We've got the strawberry moon on Saturday as well, so there is a chance for some minor coastal flooding. Now, there's that latest rainfall forecast for South Florida. It is improving, not quite as much rainfall for them. Our rain chances are actually going up a little bit. It looks like we'll get more rain from central Texas into Houston, and that's going to be with a low pressure system, a weak trough that is expected to move through Sunday. So Saturday night and then into Sunday, we're going to be in that mid-level disturbance that could provide us with some rainfall.